Very good morning to all my lovely kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So kids, today we are going to learn about different building materials that are used to build a house or a building. So materials are bricks, cement, sand, stones, wood, iron and steel. I am repeating this: bricks, cement, sand, stones, wood, iron and steel. And one more thing I am going to explain, that is how do we use these materials to build a house. So here it is. The buildings that we see around us are called permanent houses. They are built using iron and steel rods for the framework and bricks, sand, cement for the walls. Water plays an important role in binding cement and sand together. The most important thing in a building is to have strong foundation and a good framework. First, the land is dug deep. Then the foundation is laid. And after that, the iron rods are used to make the framework. The foundation has to be very strong to protect the houses from extreme weather conditions and natural calamities. For making walls, net is used to separate the sand from other things. Then a big machine called cement mixer is used. Cement, sand, stones and water is mixed in this machine to get a thick mixture called concrete. This mixture has to be perfectly mixed because it holds the bricks together. I hope you understood today's topic. In the next class, we will learn about people who help us in building of a house. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.